One, two.
God, can you guys open up things any quicker? What is it?
Suitcase.
No, it's not a suitcase.
What? It's a gear bag. So when you go and get your skates, you got something to put it in.
Yay!
When you go and get your taekwondo stuff, you got something to put it in.
Oh,
And look, it's got the swoosh on it.
what swoosh?
Look at the insignia.
Oh, Nike.
It's called the Nike swoosh.
So now when we go and bring our erasers fit in there?
No, I doubt it.
I don't think so. They might. They might.
No.
If they squish them up and then we can put them all in. Thank you. Thanks.
Here's the boxes.
You mean this?
Daddy doesn't like these shirts.
What?
Mike doesn't like the shirt.
What shirt?